Hi guys, I'm going to do an informative speech regarding how to find your personal color. So I'm going to deliver today's speech in this order. We're going to start from the introduction by reviewing several pictures and then move on to defining basic concepts that are necessary to understand the skin tone or personal color. And then move on to 9 steps where you can do a self-check for your skin tone and find your personal color, and then leads to the conclusion. So, can you see the differences in these two pictures? Is the Tyra Banks one of the top models in USA? And which one seems to be more attractive? Obviously, the right one with the orange lips to be more attractive. It looks much healthier. So, through this speech, I want to tell you how to find your personal color and use it to make better impression through several steps. So, before finding out our personal colors, let me define several concepts like base, seasonal color, and tone. The base color can be divided into either warm tone and cool tone. When we say warm tone, it does not mean red, orange, but diverse colors that are mixed up with higher yellow base ratio. And in case of cool tone, it does not mean blue or green, but diverse colors with higher blue base ratio. And these two colors can also be divided into 2 levels of analysis. In case of warm tone, it is divided into light warm tone, dark warm tone. In cool tone, light cool tone, and dark cool tone. And that leads to 4 types of analysis, as you can see. The spring goes for light warm tone, summer for light cool tone, autumn, dark warm tone, and winter, dark cool tone. And lastly, don't be worried about it. This is the last step of division. And these 4 types of color can also be divided into 8 levels of tones. When we say tones, tone determines your image. And as I told you, there are 8 levels of analysis. But to give you a concise, like one of the representative example of tones, we say pale or like pale tone or light pale. Those are the names of the tones. So until now, we have defined several concepts that are necessary to understand personal color. All these pictures were taken from colors.com. So if you want to learn more about other concepts, I recommend you guys to get in there and to see. Then, based on these 3 concepts, let's move on to find our personal color. So from now on, I'm going to give you 9 questions. So while answering those questions, you may write either A, B, C, or D. And at the end of this question, you're going to sum up the number of A, B, C, D and find your personal color. So just enjoy this progress. Okay. The first question is whether your skin tone peach toned one with yellowish base or pale pink tone with blue base. If you're peach tone, write A, and if you are pale pink tone, write B. Second step, if you have red splotches, write A, and if you do not have red splotches, write B. Step 3. So when you get lots of sunshine, do you easily get tanned or do you become red and being dark? Step 4, is your hair colored brown, dark brown, or black? And step 5, is your pupil color brown base or red base? Step 6, is your skin tone bright, soft, or deep? Step 7, is your hair thin or thick? Similar question. Step 8, is your hair shiny or dry? And the last question, but not least, is your image close to feminine and attractive image or modern and intellectual style? So this is the end of 9 steps. And then we're going to sum up the total number of A, B, C, D to find out your personal color. So the number of A and B tells you whether you're regarded as cool or warm tone. The number of C and D tells you whether you're light or dark tone. So when we combine these 2 analyses, we can find whether you're light warm tone, which is spring, light cool tone, dark warm tone, and dark cool tone for each season. And there are differently recommended colors for each season. The spring we recommend like yellowish base. In case of summer, pastel tone. In case of autumn, more dark one. And winter, much more vivid color. So as you can see from this picture, we have understand the mechanism of color, the power of it. It can change your personal impression. So you may understand what you need to do right now. Reveal your personal color and reveal your potential beauty. Life is too short to waste, isn't it? Thank you.